Can't keep him out. Yodi is 15 months old. Kaya is 7 years old. Go, go.
Yost, go.
Goes in face first.
What was that?
I have no idea. There's the bubble maker.
Do we find anything to throw?
No.
Yes.
Right in. Good boy.
Oh, I'm gonna jump him over there. He's getting worried like.
I'm not sure he'll do it from there. There you go. Nice, easy. He's swimming all the way to her. He became quite the swimmer. Come on, bud. Come on, buddy. That's a good boy. Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. He did it! Straight in! Good boy! Oh, he got water in his ear. The boys are willing to do anything. The girls are convinced you're trying to kill them. There we go. She's like, oh my god, I actually have to swim now. I can't just bubble make.
She's gonna bite me now.
This is what happens when Daddy throws you in the water. You go into convulsions. Okay, come on, let's go. Go, go. Go, go. He doesn't even wait anymore. Get in, get in. There you go. Back to the bubble making. Come on, Yost. Come on up. Come on. Go, go.
Right up there, right here, Yost. Come in, you big baby.
Oh, good boy. She went down. I saw it. Let's see which one of them falls first. I hit the button just in time. He's so fast.
Good boy. Good boy.
And do it again, Yodi. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come on out. Come on. So, where are you going?
No.
It's like we're not leaving, are we? Look at her. She did this last time.
Get them to dry off first.
Yodi, come here. Look, neither one of them want to come. Come on, we got to go home. Let's go. Time to go home. Come on, let's go.
Let's go home.
I've never seen Yost move so slow in his whole life.
Okay.
Come on. Kaya, time to go. Let's go. Come on, hup, hup. Come on, hup, hup. Kaya, we need to go. There she comes. Okay, fine.